Alright, so video 3 of the extra work showing the code. So we'll go to the homepage.dart. And here, this is just where we have that list tile of the people outline, and then on tap it goes to controller view profile. So that means that we have to go to homepage controller, homepage controller.dart. Then we hit view profile, makes a list of the users away at my firebase.getAccount. And then it just prints it off there for every user in this list. So we'll go to the myfirebase.getAccount now. Maybe, possibly. So in the myfirebase.getAccount, here it goes. So the .get account, we try getting the query snapshot, and then we collect. Our collection is going to be from the user profile collection of the Firebase. And then we want to match the emails and throw them in a list. So every single person that has a matching email to the one that we're looking for gets thrown in the list. Should just be one. And that's how we do that. Yep. So that's really it. Alright. Thank you.